I am William Caleb, an affiliate marketer, and this is my official affiliate marketing review for the List Infinity affiliate program. It's an awesome affiliate program that pays instant commissions daily. And in the spirit of full disclosure, I just wanted you to know that as an affiliate marketer, that means that I get paid commissions for recommending quality products and services. These particular companies, they will pay me a certain percentage of sales for any referrals that I send their way should those referrals purchase. And it in no way affects the price that you would pay. This is an agreement that the company has already made with me while keeping the price still the same. It's no type of extra price you pay just to incentivize me. That's not how it works. I'm just an independent salesman that helps many popular brands out. It makes it easier on their marketing budget and their marketing team when they have individual folks working from home like me as affiliate marketers. So that's what I do. That's the disclosure. I can't completely promise or guarantee that you will make any money at all. Most people simply don't, because most people simply don't put in the work. They don't follow the instructions to a T. Now, what I have before me is an actual review page. It's a website that's designed specifically to promote the List Infinity affiliate program. And the List Infinity program is an awesome program that builds you instant commissions while building an email list. What's the importance of all that? Well, first of all, you want to be in affiliate marketing because, as I explained what I do, you get paid a commission just for recommending products and services. And think about it. You're probably already doing that anyway. You think about the last movie you've seen, or the last good meal you ate, or the last good song you heard. I'm pretty sure when you were around your friends and family, you ended up mentioning that. Hey, I just saw this good movie the other day. It was such and say, y'all ought to really go see it. You know, you are recommending it. And wouldn't it be great if that movie production paid you, say, 20% commission for the recommendation? Wouldn't it be great? And for every download, and whenever someone downloads the movie, you get paid. Hey, that's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. List Infinity, the service, is an actual list building system. And what I mean by list building is when you use the system, you will be building hundreds, thousands of subscribers. People are going to be signing up to your subscription, and then they will receive automatic emails preset accordingly to you, or in this case, how the List Infinity system already has it. And each one of those messages not only provide value in the way of tips and tricks and lessons, but it also recommends the system itself, allowing you to earn instant commissions. And what do I mean by instant commissions? Commissions are commissions, right? Why do I include the word instant? Well, a lot of affiliate programs, they'll pay like 30 to 40 days out. Like if you made the sale on June the 1st, you may not get your paycheck for that sale until the middle of July. You see how that works? That's not instant. Yeah, you made the sale. Yeah, you got credited for the sale instantly, but you're not getting paid instantly. List Infinity pays you at the moment, at the point of sale. So in other words, we have a popular option. One of the packages in List Infinity is our Pro level option, which costs $100. Whenever someone sends $100 to access the Pro levels of the system, you'll get $100 right there, that moment, instantly, and you can take it and go spend that right afterwards. You're not waiting 30, 40, or 4 months or any of that. You're not even waiting a couple of weeks or even days. You get paid immediately at the moment of sale, directly out to your Cash App card, to your PayPal debit card, to your Stripe, which can go directly to your bank account, your regular bank account, which of course when it goes directly to your bank account, well, You got a debit card to your bank account, right? You can immediately go and use those funds. That's what instant pay affiliate commissions means. Now back to this page that you see here on the screen. It's a review page. I got a review video that talks about List Infinity. And don't worry, I don't say any links in this video. So it's kind of generic in that way. All I tell people towards the end is to click on the button you see around the video. You see, I don't give them my link. I tell them to click on the button on this page. And of course, the buttons are going to go to your List Infinity link. See this button right here? That's going to go to your particular List Infinity link, ensuring that you will get that instant commission. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the page a little bit more. As we scroll, you'll see we got great headlines. Proven Affiliate Marketing System teaches how to operate a profitable online business and provides the tools to do it with. That's exactly what List Infinity does. Shows you how to run an online business, start getting paid fast with those instant affiliate commissions, and builds your subscriber list. And that subscriber list, that's yours. That doesn't belong to List Infinity. It's your list. Whether you got 100 people on it, whether you got 1,000 people on it, whether you got 10,000 or 50,000 people on it, that's your list. You can always mail to them at any time. This is how the big online entrepreneurs do it. This is how we do it. We build lists in a chosen niche, a particular industry, a subject matter, and we just email them. We email them. Use up, and it's on them to sign up. We don't force people to sign up. We don't go and steal email addresses. No, we simply set up simple capture pages that ask people to sign up in exchange for something. And List Infinity provides all the tools for that. Have a brief little blurb of why you should listen to me. It's just basically an about me thing, where I'm from, just a little bit about myself. And if you were to have this page, this would be your information and your picture, because this is a review page that I'm going to let you use. You come join List Infinity. I'll let you use a page like this. Now, if you're already in List Infinity, you can still use this page. I'll just simply charge a small fee, $25, something real small, and I'll just duplicate this page for you and put your about information here, and I'll put, so if you have any results already, I'll put the screenshots there. If not, no worries. We'll just use the screenshots that are within the List Infinity group itself, just so people that you will be advertising to will understand that people from all walks of life are making these instant commissions. So this is what your page is going to look like. And all the links, that link there, that button, register now button there, this button there, it's going to go to your List Infinity. And like I said, if you're already in List Infinity, well, there's no need for you to join up with me, William Caleb. You're already there. So I'll go ahead and make your page. Just reach out to me or click somewhere below this video. There's going to be a link or some button or something that that would allow you to just go ahead and contact me about that. And I'll go ahead and confirm that you are indeed a List Infinity member, and I'll bill your page to you. You'll just pay me $25 for the service. Boom, you'll have this awesome page that is working like fire. I'm telling you, it's working like fire to wood. For real. Now, for those of you who are not in List Infinity, well, join up for me, and this is just one of the many bonuses. I'll give you the page with no extra charge. Just sign up with me at one of the levels in List Infinity. And also the bonus, another bonus, that you yourself will also be able to give out. You'll be able to give this out to the people that you're advertising to. In fact, they won't even have to opt in or give up any personal information to access this bonus. The bonus is a special training page, a special resource page, I should call it a resource page, that tells how to get interested people to your business opportunity links. What good is you having this awesome review page if you yourself can't advertise it right. You can't get enough people to see it, right? Well, we fixed that with this bonus. And I guess I can let you go ahead and take a look at how it looks. Let's go ahead and click on it here. And here's the page that you're seeing here. It's the traffic buttons page. This is what your viewers are going to get access to as a bonus. Now for you, you're getting this and the review page itself if you're not already in Listinfinity. And if you are, again, just reach out to me somewhere below this video, or you can even go to my Facebook if you want to contact me there. That's facebook.com, William Caleb Rogers. That's Rogers with a D. And I will definitely hook you up. What this traffic buttons page is it's a whole bunch of places to get website traffic from, and even instructions on how to get traffic, free methods, how to get Google organic search traffic. It's all going to be here on the traffic buttons page, which you are going to get. This is an awesome opportunity I do not want you to miss out on. I really don't. This is a review page for Listinfinity, and this is my Listinfinity of View, one of the hottest affiliate programs for making money online today. They've been in business, I know it's been over 5 years. I mean, that's long right there for any online business, but way longer than that. And they've steadily providing instant commissions. Multiple times a day, too. You can make a sale Monday, and Tuesday you can make 8 sales. Tuesday, Wednesday, you can make 4 sales. All within that same day. And that's all commissions that would be spendable income that day. The moment the customer pays you, you get paid. That's how this works. No games, no scams, no cons. This is the pros here. This is pro stuff here, folks. I want you to click on somewhere below this video. Go ahead, sign up for Listinfinity. In fact, I'm going to send you to this review page. The link that you're going to see around this video, or the button, it's going to take you to this review page. You'll be able to see it live in action. You can go ahead and go through it, and you can even click one of the buttons you see, like that one right there, and sign up. Boom. You'll see several options. Gonna have options there. I recommend that you go with the Pro package so you can get those multiple $100 instant commissions multiple times on any given day. Thank you for taking the time to listen to Affiliate Marketer. William Caleb here. Peace and light. Everything's going to be all right, for sure.